Public safety is evolving, and technology is reshaping how we respond to real threats. What solutions does ST Engineering have to offer? Come with me to find out. At ST Engineering, we're all about solving real-world problems and improving lives. We harness the power of AI to help public safety and security agencies respond swiftly and effectively to emerging threats.
In Singapore, our streets remain physically safe, but digitally, the threats have no borders. Today, AI is becoming the most important force multiplier.
AI is now a mission-critical infrastructure. The only way to overcome challenges is to conduct our operation smartly and exploit technology to collectively reimagine the future of AI for a safer tomorrow.
From strengthening counter-drone readiness to maritime security, we deliver innovative solutions that unify command and control, protect critical infrastructure, and safeguard communities.
HTX is confident that, together with ST Engineering, we will push the frontier of science and technology for public safety together.